Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing this closure wig I have on my head right here. But I'm going to be using the blasting spray. I'm going to be using the gas to base spray. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So I already went ahead to clean my edges with an alcohol. So all I need to do is just to push this backwards. So all I need to do is just to push this backwards and then spray right where I want it to be. But before then, I'm just going to reposition it to see if it's. I'm just going to reposition it to where exactly I want it to lay. So I have low edges and I don't want to bring it all the way forward. If I bring it all the way forward, it's going to reduce my forehead and I don't want it. So I'm going to push it back a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to leave my edges outside. My edges are going to be showing, but then I'm going to take care of it later. So let's just leave it this way. Okay. So I'm just going to push it backwards and then spray my edges.
Many man that try to whine you. I don't really mind that just they whine me. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no gon' mind them just whine me. Many man that try to whine you. I don't really mind that just they whine me. Many girls that try to whine me.
So the first layer is already tacky, so I'm going to spray the second layer. And I'm searching for a kind of possibility. Someone to truly love me for me. Someone to come and be my true love. So now that it's tacky, it's just going to be tacky but not completely dried. It's going to be tacky. So let's lay it down. So you're just going to pick it gently and then position. You're going to pick it gently, then drop it where you want it to be.
Empire.
So you're just going to pick a rat tape comb and further push it down, press it down. After that, you're just going to use your whatever you want to use, just tie it down to further dry up and then melt into your skin.
Calling me the sugar in your tea, calling me the honey in your bee. Anything you want, baby boy, I believe.
It's drying. I'm going to take out my clips and then style my hair. So using my hot comb, I'm just going to flatten this place. But before I do that, I'm going to use my wax stick. Using my wax stick.
When I see you, I know I'd be okay. Yes, and you are the one that I feel, and you know that it's real. When I think of you, I know I'd be okay. Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh yeah, raga for me. Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Joe, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you. When you're mine, I'll never leave you. I'll always love you. You're my number one. Forever love, my number one. Many man that try to whine you. I don't really mind that just they whine me. Many girls them try to whine Baby, no gon' mind them just be whiny. Many man that try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just stay whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Oh, see, I'm looking for someone to set my soul free. Looking for someone to love me completely. Looking for someone to show me true love. And I'm searching for a kind of possibility. Someone to truly love me for me. Someone to come and be my true love. 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 So me say, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby. Would you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh you ragga for me, Joe. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, yeah.
Mystic Empire.
So this is the final look right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And also please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
What am I looking for? Say my God, he don't bless me. He gave me you, gave you me. And you are the light in my day, the right in my day. When I see you, I know I'd be okay. Yes, and you are the one that I feel, and you know that it's real. When I think of you, I know I'd be okay. Yeah. Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh you ragga for me, Joe. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Joe, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. When you're mine, I'll never leave you. I'll always love you. You're my number one. Forever love, my number one. Many men they try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just they whine me. Many girls them try to whine me. Baby, no gon' mind them just be whiny. Many man they try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just they whiny. Many girls they try to whine me. Oh, see, I'm looking for someone to set my soul free. Looking for someone to love me completely. Looking for someone to show me true love. And I'm searching for a kind of possibility. Someone to truly love me for me. Someone to come and be my true love. 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 So me say, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby. Would you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh you ragga for me, Joe. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, yeah.
Mystic Empire.